Can you describe your connection to Israel?
I was there for 1 year, right? As I said, 80, 81. So when I was there, I was on a kibbutz that was very secular. Salahachas, on Yom Kippur, they would eat white meat, they would call it. They would not only eat, but it would be pork.
Right.
Right. These were the original Zionists who just wanted to get the hell out of Europe and were rebelling against everything.
White steak.
White steak. So this on Yom Kippur, right? So I felt on kibbutz, in the middle of Israel, I felt less of a Jew than I had ever felt before. So I did some research. I started reading about Jewish history and so forth and so on. And one of the interesting things I found out was that, all of Jewish history does end up in Zionism. If you take a continuum of Jewish history and philosophy and all that kind of stuff, to me, from what I read, it all ends in Zionism. Jewish philosophy ends with Zionism. That is, if you're looking at, since I'm not Orthodox and I don't read the Torah, I'm looking at it from a philosophical point of view. I'm looking at it from a historical point of view. And so I read books on Jewish history, the Jewish history books led me to philosophy books. And it seems to all end in Zionism. Theodor Herzl, who refers to Jews as, and it's a quote from the Bible, we are strangers in a strange land. We are always guests in someone else's house. And that gets to me. I understand that. And as a Jew, that's your situation without Israel. And you're vulnerable. I mean, the most interesting thing that has happened in my life, as far as that situation is concerned, was the Israeli rescue of those Jews in, I guess it was Nigeria, where they had the paratroopers go in and save those Jews.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember that? Whatever that, that's what it's really all about. You're not a victim anymore. You're not subject to someone else's evil or whims, right? That to me was a highlight of what it really means to be a Jew in this day and age, is to have some kind of self-determination and not be a victim.